Hast du etwas Zeit für mich? Dann singe ich ein Lied für dich von 99 Luftballons auf ihrem Weg zum Horizont.
Yup. What's up, guys? So, today is the day we're canceling the apocalypse. Just kidding. Today I'm gonna be draining out the water, taking the 1080 out, putting the stock cooler back on, hooking the cooler back up, and then I gotta find some padding to put it. Then I put it in this original box and pack it up. Gotta go find some padding at my mom's house, and then we're gonna ship this thing off and hopefully get my replacement by next week. So that's the plan for the day. I didn't want to drain this because I've drained it so soon. I drained it like last week. I hate draining this thing. I don't know, but it's got to be done. I haven't received an update on my motherboard, CPU, or RAM yet, so I'm waiting on that. From the sound of it, it doesn't seem like they have any of those things in stock, so I'm probably gonna get it from the manufacturer, or they're gonna order it, and once it gets over there, then they're gonna send it out to me instead of just sending it out to me. Oh well, it's all good. But I'm ready to get this thing out. Like right now, it's just sitting on a PCI slot. And the other day, I came to the conclusion that I could fix the audio problem by getting a sound card, which is like what, 10-20 bucks. Yeah, but it still doesn't fix my video problem. I mean, I'm surprised this graphics card can still handle triple monitor. I'm pretty sure it can't handle 60 frames though. I don't know. Surround sound, I doubt it can handle that too. If it's just regular task, multitasking, but for gaming, hell no. Alright, so I need to get my day started. What's wrong with your face?
What's wrong with my face?
What's all that shit on your face?
That's why I don't see you. That's why I do like that.
Huh?
Yeah.
Ew.
Hi.
What's up? Looks like you.
No!
Yeah.
When you just came with.
Hit it.
You right? Are you gonna go pick up your tickets today?
Huh?
You gonna pick up your tickets today? For Comic Con. You know it's tomorrow, right?
It is?
Yeah. Okay. Look at that. Putting that to good use. It's still a little warm. All right, welcome back. Ooh, hope that's enough lighting. So let's go ahead and shut this thing off. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start draining this again. I started my day, so I feel a little awake. I feel alive ever since started my day. Anyway, so the system is off. I'm just gonna go ahead and hook up the fittings to the hose so I can drain it, and we're gonna go ahead and take that out. I'm pretty sure if you're a fan of my channel, you've already seen me drain this several times already. More than enough times that I'm willing to. If that makes any sense. If not, that's cool too. Okay. So I was able to get the video card out. These are the hoses that went to it. Yeah, it looks completely fine to me. Look, there's residue in the block. It's all blue. Why the hell? Anyway, video card looks good. I'm gonna take this apart and put on the stock cooler so I can send it out, or how the Canadians say oot. I'm gonna send it out. Oot, whatever. Right now I have the pump going into the radiator, out the radiator, going up to the radiator, out to the CPU, and back to the res. So that's a lot of radiator for a CPU. As a matter of fact, I think it is too much, but you know, it works. It's gonna hold me over until all the new stuff comes in. Now, I don't know if I have time to take this apart because I have to go and pick up my Comic-Con tickets tonight. I have about 3 hours. Yeah, I have about 3 hours to go pick them up. Maybe I could catch something over there. Not like AIDS or herpes or anything. I mean, like catch people dress up. I really don't want to start this and then stop to go pick up the tickets. So I'm gonna wait till later to do this. And it gives me a chance to clean the block again. Oh, time to go pick up some tickets. Okay. Where's my donut?
If you wait a second, I was gonna ask you if you wanted this one.
All artificial cheese. Everything's artificial now. Including your face. Okay, I'm just kidding.
Die Welt in Trümmern liegen, haben Luftballon gefunden. Denk an dich und lass ihn fliegen.